This is the first website. You can choose by category or resolution. The second website. Choose the wallpaper, download wallpaper. The third website, choose the wallpaper, download wallpaper. My Live Wallpaper program, click on Add Video, browse and select the wallpaper that you downloaded. You can change some settings here, like blacking out the video, or adjust the speed. You can also create a playlist and it will change wallpapers automatically. You can add more than 2. Then click on Activate Playlist and choose the when to change between them. I will speed up the video, so we don't waste 30 seconds. Make sure that these two options are on. The second software comes with more features. First, it comes with some wallpapers. And you can customize some settings. You can put any video you want, just drag it to the program and click on OK. You can customize your videos as well. You can simply add a video by its link, search Live Wallpaper Loop, and copy the link. Paste it here. To turn off sound, you can mode it from the settings. Make sure to apply these settings. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more content.